Welcome. Here we can discuss about Python keywords and comments. Keywords in Python. Already we studied about that. What is keyword? Keywords are predefined words which have certain predefined meaning. They are the predefined words. They are the words which is already defined inside the Python interpreter. This words has certain predefined meaning is there. And keywords are also known as reserved words. Now we can see what are the different types of keywords available in Python. To display the keywords available in Python, we have to use two statements. One is import keyword and use the print statement to display the keyword. Import keyword, print this keyword dot keyword.kw list. I'll run the one in your Python interpreter. See that first sentence is import keyword. What is this import statement? We will study in later classes. Now just study this much, import keyword and print keyword, the same word, keyword dot kw list. Keyword dot kw list. Run this program. See that all these are the keywords presently available in Python. These are the keywords which is already defined inside the Python interpreter. You can see all the keywords are small letters. In Python, keywords are written in small letter, except false, none and true. See the first three keywords, false, none and true. For these three keywords, the first letter will be capital, remaining everything in small letter. So what is keywords? Keywords are the predefined words which has predefined meaning. Now we can see what are comments in Python. Comments, not command, it is comment. Comments are the non-executable part of a program. They are the non-executable part of a program which will be giving some instruction to the user. These comments are, when you place comments in a program, the program will be more readable and it is more understandable for the user. We can write any number of comments in a Python program, in between your Python program. Comments are two types. One is single line comment and another one is multi-line comment. Comments are of two types. One is single line, another one is multi-line comment. So these comments will not have any effect on your output. It will not change the output of your program. They are the non-executable part of a program. I'll show you that in this Python screen. Here, if I'm just writing, I'm going to write keywords. I'm going to write keywords. And when you try this, run this program. When you run this program this way, see that it is showing the error. Name error, name keywords is not defined. So that means we cannot use keywords in this way. It is showing the error message. But I am going to write, see that key list. I am going to write here hash keywords. Hash keywords. Run this program. Is it showed any error message? We didn't got any error message at all. So here I just use the word keywords, but I just use this hash sign over there. This hash sign represents that line is a comment statement. That line is a comment line. So from when I open this program, I can see this program is displaying the keywords. It is a comment. I can write a statement. I am going to find out the area of a rectangle. So I can write a comment statement like this: program to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So this is a comment statement. When you open this program, by seeing this comment statement, you can identify this program is used to find the area of a rectangle. So from the comment itself, user will get an idea about what the program is doing. So when you give the comment statement, it is that program will be more understandable to the user. If I am removing this hash sign from this program. Try to run this program. When you run this program, you can see the interpreter will showing the error message then. Yes, it is error message, invalid syntax. If I am placing a hash statement, there, when you run this program, that particular statement will not be executed at all. Whatever inside the hash statement will not be executed. Only the remaining part is executing. So that is why it's not showing any error message. So I can write a comment statement by using hash symbol. This is a hash symbol. That means it is a comment statement. It is a single line comment statement. If you want to use more than one statement in different line, each line must begin with a hash sign. That means it is a single line comment statement. Now I am going to write comment statement in two different lines. See that I am going to write find the area of a rectangle. It is two different lines are there. If you want to write a comment statement in two different lines, either you have to begin both the line with the hash sign. Both the line must begin with a hash sign. Then only it will be considered as a comment statement. Or instead of using hash sign, you can use triple quote. Quotes in 3 times quotes. Single quote. See the color change. When I use triple quote over there, the color is changed into green. And I am going to close it here. Now, these two lines are comment statement. So, this type of comment statement are known as multi-line comment statement. The symbol for the comment statement I just written at the beginning and at the end. So, you can write any number of line comment statement like this. So, I am going to write all these are the comment statement. So, only for the beginning and the end, you use 3 triple quotes. That means it is a multi-line comment statement. So, all the content, all the statements which written within this triple quotes will be considered as a comment statement. So, when you run this program, this part of the program will not be executed. Something inside the triple quote will not be executed. You can write anything over there. So, I just written something over there. It is meaningless. You can write anything inside that one. So, it will not be executed at all. Normally, the comments are used to give more understandable to the user. When you read the comment statement, I show you that. So, if I am writing this much, when you read this one itself, you can identify that this program is used to find the area of a rectangle. So, from the comment statement, user will get an idea about what the program is doing. That is all about comment. So, in this class, we just studied about keywords and comments. Keywords are the predefined words which have predefined meaning. Keywords are also known as, what is another name of keywords? They are also known as reserved words. We can display the keyword by using the import statement. Import keyword and keyword.kwlist. Keyword.kwlist. All the keywords present in Python will be displayed there. And the second thing what we studied is comments. Comments are the non-executable part of a program which will not be executed. They are the non-executable part of a program. There are two types of comment statement. One is single line comment statement, another one is multi-line comment statement. Single line comment statement begin with a hash sign. Multi-line comment statement begin with a triple quote. Single quote, 3 times single quote, and end with the again triple quote. So that is multi-line comment statement. So that is all about this topic. Now we can study the next topic in next class. Thank you, children.